Hello, subscribers. Thanks for watching. I'm here in my desk. Um, I'm gonna be opening the gift I received for my birthday. That is from my dad, which is right here, a pocket knife. So I'll be opening that in just a moment. So before I open this, let's give you a better look at it. 7-inch pocket knife, stainless steel blade. This is a man's gift, a man's knife. There's all that info that you need to know about it. It's very good to come in handy. So this is the gift I received from my dad yesterday on my 31st birthday. Pocket knife, and I just cut it open with the scissors on top, trying to get this out. There it is. Voila. It's not as heavy a feeling as I thought it would be. And I can clip it to my belt. And it's a pocket knife. In case not to hurt anyone. Okay? Not to hurt anyone, but in case I need to open up something. If I need a tool, that's very useful. It's a very useful tool. If I need to cut some wiring, if I need to cut, or stick it into a door to try and get it unstuck or anything like that, it is very useful. And I like this gift. Look at how much it shines on the camera right there for you. Very good. And then I can just close it, right? I would be able to if I had both hands available. Closes just like that. Very nice. So thank you, Dad, for this wonderful gift. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed it. Subscribe for more.